Good morning all. This class is completely reserved for informatics practices student because the syllabus is divided from here. For C++ they are going to study file handling in Python, it is a separate one, and for IP students the new syllabus content it is related with Python pandas, right? So from here the syllabus of computer science student and the syllabus of IP students, they are completely different. Clear? Now for IP we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter is related with Python pandas and the chapter is based on the data analysis work, data calculation work only. Here in this chapter three different things are there. First one, the Python series, then the second one, Python data frame, and the third one, pictorial representation of data by using different graphs, right? So here, we are going to start our first chapter of Python Panda. But before that, we should know something related with this chapter. Here the first question arises in your mind that what is pandas? अभी तक तो Python पढ़ा, Python days, then Anaconda, then Jupyter, different Pythons are there in if you use internet. Here the term is pandas. It is not a different language. It is a library of Python only. The Python that is there in your computer, you have to add pandas library with your Python. Python is same, the program is same, just you have to insert, you have to import, or we can say you have to install pandas in your same Python language only. Right? Now what is the role of panda? If it is a library, then different library functions are there in this library, right? Now what is panda? Clear? Very first thing, panda is a special library of Python. We have to install Python panda into our Python language. Clear? Now what is the role of panda? Why we install panda in our Python? Right? Panda is for data analysis work only. Now what is data analysis work? Suppose in Excel one file is there. This Excel file contains student name, their account marks, BSc marks, economics marks, IP marks, physical education marks. Means the complete result is there in the Python file of 12th commerce student. Now the data analysis refers to, now I want to know who is the topper in accounts, how many students are fail in the account subject, what is the minimum marks of account in class 12th commerce, what is the maximum marks of economics, what is the class average of economics. These type of works are known as data analysis work. Data is there in your file. Now you have to analyze the data based on the different criteria. This data analysis work, this data calculation work is done by Python pandas very easily. Different functions are there in panda. By using these functions you can make any kind of data analysis, right? So this is panda. Now panda, it is an abbreviated word. The full form of panda, it is panel data system. Just see the full form of panda, it is panel. DA stands for data, S stands for system. Clear? Panel data system, it is the full form of panda. Maybe it is a 1 mark question in your question paper, right? Now we will there on the second question, how to install panda. Python is there in our computer, or you can install Python in your cell phone also. There is no requirement of desktop or laptop. If you want to execute your program in Python, you can install Python in any Android phone also, right? Now how to install panda? Python is installed in your PC already. Now you just install panda. It is a supplementary tool. You just install Panda. If you want to install Panda with your Python, in your Python, there are two different methods, right? How to install Panda? Very first, Panda library is there in your computer. Now you have to attach this Panda library with your Python. For that, just use CMD. It is a program in your Windows operating system. Just open CMD. क्या करना है? सर्च का ऑप्शन आता है. At the search option, just type CMD. Or you can type command COMMAND. One program is filtered. Name of that program is CMD. You have to click on this CMD option. You have to click on this CMD program. When you click on CMD, one black screen is there on the monitor, and here something like this one. Dot dot dot. Some lines are there, and here this one black screen, and cursor is blinking over here. Right? So the first step to install Panda is just on the CMD program or command program from your Windows operating system. When you open it, a black screen is there. In that black screen, you can find this type of arrangement. This greater than symbol is there, and one cursor is blinking over here. Now here you have to type pip, right? Pip space install Pandas and press enter over here. Pip space install space Pandas. You have to write this command and press one enter. It is the enter symbol. Don't get confused over here. Right? Just press enter. Now it will take 5 to 7 minutes to install Pandas with your Python. So it is the very first process. First process is by using CMD. Now the second process is you have to install Python Anaconda. It is a different software. You have to install Python Anaconda from the internet. It is free of cost. Just type a line on the Google search engine. The line is install Python Anaconda. Right? The linked page is there on the monitor on the Google. By using any link page, you have to install Anaconda into your system. If these two things, out of these two, you install any one, you use any one out of these two, your Panda library is attached with your Python. Clear? Now, what is Panda is clear. How to install Panda, it is also clear. Now, how to add this Panda in your program, it is the next concept. Like Panda install kar liya. Now, how we can use this Panda library with our Python program. Right? You just see in class 11, lot of different practicals are there with this Python. Just open the Python language. Python language means the editor of Python. Python language अपन न्यू पे क्लिक करते हैं. क्लिक करते ही आपका प्रोग्राम लिखने का कोड वाला ऑप्शन आता है. Right? If you want to use Panda with your program, you have to write one line only at the top of your program. What is this line? How to add Panda in your program? Just write import in small letter. Python is a case sensitive language. Write it in small letter. Import Pandas, plural term, Pandas, also in small letter, as PD. By this single line, by this one line statement, you can attach Pandas with your program. आपको अपना program खोलना है. Program की very first line it should be import Pandas as PD. Clear? जैसे आप ये line लिखोगे, all the Pandas library it is included with your program. You can use any one library function of Panda with your program. Clear? Simple one. Yeah. Just see. Import is a command. Pandas is a name of the library. As is also a command. Now this PD is a username. Right? You import Panda in an object and the object name is PD. Here you can write any name according to your wish. You can write here Ram also. Import Pandas as Ram. No problem. You can write ABC also. Import pandas as ABC. Right? There is no problem in this line. But generally, the software developer, the software engineers use PD name to import this pandas function. Clear? Only one line. You have to add this line with your program only. Now, just move this numpy. The third question, fourth question. What is numpy? Though it is there in your IP syllabus previously, but due to this corona pandemic, CBSE reduced 2 chapters related with numpy from your syllabus. Now it is not there in your syllabus, but in some programs, in some series related program, in some data frame related programs, there are a requirement of numpy with your program. Though it is limited, but it is required in some program of data frames, some program of data series. So, what is numpy? Numpy stands for numerical Python. Numerical Python. 1 mark question may be there. Theoretical question may be there from this numpy. What is numpy? Numpy is a numerical Python. What is the role of numpy? What is the role of this one? Numpy role. Numpy, a library, it is a different library of Python, just like pandas. This numerical Python library enables working of the array. Array means sequence of value. There are different functions related with array. Array means sequence of similar value related with array in this numpy library. If you include numpy with your program, you can access different array related functions with your program. Clear? Now that's all. What is numpy? Now how to add numpy in your program? How to add pandas in your program? The one line import pandas as PD. The same thing. How to import numpy in your program? Just remember, student, from this chapter, CBSE increased MCQ questions in this year question paper. In IP, there are 30 to 35 different MCQ questions may be there in the question paper, and all this topic, simple 1 marks question can come from any topic, and generally these questions are related with the theoretical concept. So here, what is numpy? 1 mark question. Numpy, it is numerical Python, right? 1 mark question. How to add numpy in your program? The question कैसा आएगा? Write the statement by which you can include numpy in your program. 1 mark question. Write a statement by which you can include Python pandas in your program. So 1 mark statement, this one, import pandas as PD. 1 mark is covered. No. Numpy, what is the command for this? How to add numpy in your program? Import. The command is same, import should be in small letter only. I am telling you again and again. Import, then space, numpy, it is the library name. Numpy is the name of the library. Numpy as ny or nd or as according to your style. Import numpy as. These 3 points are compulsory, mandatory. This is optional. You can write any name according to your wish. Clear? So with this statement we can include numpy in our program. Clear? Now come to the next one. What is series in Python Panda? It is the real one. The whole chapter is related with series. Now what is series in Panda? Series means a sequence of homogeneous values. One line definition. Series is a sequence, an array of homogeneous values. By इससे just पहले मैंने example दिया class 12th commerce. One Excel file is created for class 12th commerce, and this Excel file contains account marks, economics marks, BST, and different subject marks. Just take one column from this file, account mark. right? One column. This column contains account marks of each and every student. Now just see this column. All the values are related with same data type. Data type भाई सब same है, integer और float. इंटीजर यानी नॉन डेसिमल वैल्यू, फ्लोट यानी डेसिमल वैल्यू. एक कॉलम के अंदर तो सारा डाटा सेम ही रहेगा. द डेटा टाइप ऑफ द डेटा दैट इज देयर इन द अकाउंट कॉलम. अब इसमें अगर किसी बच्चे के 92 मार्क्स आए तो पीछे डिजिट में ही तो लिखेगा 92, स्ट्रिंग में तो लिखेगा नहीं NINETW ऐसे तो लिखेगा नहीं. सो सीरीज इज a collection of homogeneous value. Homogeneous value means the value that is of same data type. इधर आपने दूसरा कॉलम पकड़ा, वहां पे लिखा हुआ स्टूडेंट नेम. तो स्टूडेंट नेम तो सारे स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट में ही होंगे. ऑल द नेम्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, these names are there in a same data type. It is also a series, right? A series is a sequence of values of same data type, right? Some example of series like this one, just see 10, 20, 30, 40. It is also in series. Clear? Now again the second one is Amit, Ram, Suresh, Mahesh. Example of series. This series is of integer values. This series is of string values. Both are the series only. Series means sequence of value that is there in a column. Done. So it is a series in Panda. Now series. These parts are known as data part. It is a data, right? Data of the series. Amit, Ram, Suresh, Mahesh. It is also known as data of the series, just like this one. कॉलम में तो हो रहा है ना, एक्सेल का कॉलम हो रहा है सेम. इट इज ऑल्सो द डेटा ऑफ द सीरीज. नाउ इन पाइथन is going to give a specific index value to each and every element of the series. Right now 1 2 3 4 four elements are there in this series. Here 1 2 3 4 मैं एक और बढ़ा देता हूं, रमेश. Here 5 different elements are there in this series, right? These are the data elements, but Python is going to give a specific index value to each and every item, data item of the series. अब वो क्या वैल्यू देता है Python by default क्या देगा, इसको बोलेगा it is the 0th position data for 2 3 0 1 2 3. पाइथन ने अपनी तरफ से डाला, आपने नहीं दिया था, आपने तो पहले कॉलम दिया था. पाइथन उसको आगे इंडेक्स वैल्यू अपीयर करा दी. दिस इज नोन एज इंडेक्स वैल्यू और वी कैन से पोजीशन. सो हियर 0 1 2 3, these four things are known as index of these data items. By default the index start from 0 then 1 then 2 then 3. It is by default internal setting of Python, but you can change the index value also. You can put the index value according to your style also. It is also an option in Python, right? So here just tell me what is the index values of each and every data item. Here by default Python will supply 0 1 2 3 and 4. It is the index value. 0th position Amit, first position Ram, second position Suresh, third Mahesh and so on. So it is known as index value. If you free Python to put the by default index value, then Python put 0 1 2 3. Now it is on you. You can set the index value according to your style also. In that time, suppose I am going to create one series. The series is 25 50 60 74 data items are there in that series like this one. Now मैं चाहता हूं भाई अभी पाइथन वाला 0 1 2 3 नाम नहीं पड़े, इंडेक्स वैल्यू अलग है. मैं चाहता हूं यहां पे अपीयर हो the index of first one is R, index of second one is S, third one is P and fourth one is Q. ये भी हो सकता है. It is also possible. You can set your index values to the data element of the series. We will discuss further what are the different commands and what are the different style to put the index value and put the data element. राइट. नाउ द लास्ट वन, हाउ टू क्रिएट सीरीज इन पाइथन. पूरा पढ़ लिया. सीरीज ये है, क्रिएट कैसे करें, व्हाट इज द कमांड टू क्रिएट द सीरीज. जस्ट see, if you want to create a series, the command for that, it is series bracket, something is there in the bracket and bracket close. Here series is the command to create the series. It is a module that is available in Panda, right? It is a library function that is available in Panda, and the library function for creating the series is series only. Here S is capital, remember S is capital. Clear? Now just see, if you want to create a series in Python, what are the commands for that? Simple. Now it is a 2 marks question according to the board blueprint. Right? What is the question? Suppose question आपके पास आया, create the following series in Python. ये क्वेश्चन है, and it will be a 2 mark question. Remember, create a following series in Python. सीरीज आपको क्या दे रही है? सीरीज आपको दे रही है 30, 70, 90, 110, here 0, 1, 2, 3. आपको ये बोला just create this series in Python. Just write the commands for creation of this series in Python. Just see, ये सीरीज बनाने इसकी कमांड लिखो. सिंपल. इस पूरी यूनिट में 8 लाइन से बड़ा कोई भी प्रोग्राम नहीं आएगा. एंड आउट ऑफ दीज 8 लाइंस 4 लाइंस आर कॉमन इन ईच एंड एवरी प्रोग्राम. कोई सिर्फ 4 लाइनें रट के बैठ जाए तो 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन 2.5 नंबर तो ऐसे आएगा. Now just see what is the question and how simple it is. It is a 2 marks question. Create this series. Very first you are going to write the code. आपको पता है सीरीज किससे बनती है? पांडा से बनती है. Now the very first line is import pandas as pd. पहली लाइन. Clear? Second line is सीरीज के लिए मैं कोई वेरिएबल दे देता हूं. ser, ये मैंने एक वेरिएबल बनाया, इक्वल टू पांडा इंपोर्ट हुआ पीडी में, ser इक्वल टू pd डॉट लगाना पड़ेगा. पांडा किसमें इंपोर्ट किया? पीडी में. pd डॉट सीरीज ब्रैकेट सीरीज एस कैपिटल. नाउ ब्रैकेट, अब ये जो वैल्यूज हैं इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर आप डालोगे इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, बिग ब्रैकेट यूज करके इन द लिस्ट फॉर्मेट. लिस्ट बना के डालना है 30, 70, 90 and 110. Just close this big bracket and close this one. Right? ser, it is the name of the series variable. कोई भी लो. pd जरूरी है because panda is imported into the pd object. So pd dot series का s capital, put the small bracket and inside the small bracket write all the values in a list like structure. list कैसे? square bracket लगाया 30, 70, 90, 110, square bracket बंद, small bracket बंद. Now print the series is. It is a message only. And here in the next line, print ser. 4 लाइन का क्वेश्चन, केवल 4 प्रोग्रामिंग कोड. जैसे 4 लाइन आप चलाओगे अपने पाइथन में, the same series will be created, same output आएगा. Just write this program in your notebook also. Right? Import pandas at pd, ser equal to pd dot series. अब कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए, देखो 4 लाइनें इस प्रोग्राम में. कोई अब आपको ये बोले भाई सीरीज इस बार चेंज है, इस बार आपको क्या सीरीज बनानी है? आपको ये सीरीज आनी चाहिए राम, सुरेश, महेश 0, 1, 2. प्रोग्राम सेम है, कहां चेंज करना है? सुनो, अगर किसी को एक प्रोग्राम याद हो जाए तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन अटेंड कर सकता है. नाउ राम, सुरेश, महेश या 30, 70, 90, 110 था. अब आपको सीरीज प्रिंट करनी है ये वाली, तो अब आप क्या चेंज करोगे? हियर इंपोर्ट pandas at pd as it is, there is no change in that. print the series is as it is, print ser as it is. तो चेंज कहां हो रहा है? the change is there in this line only. ये जो सीरीज वाली लाइन थी pd dot series, just put this list. first value it is ram, comma, second value it is suresh, comma, third value it is Mahesh. This one. Okay, series create. The series is changed now. ये series print हो जाएगी. It is a very simple chapter. Very simple, small programs are there in this chapter. The weightage of this chapter is near about. If we talk about series and data frame, these two topics cover near about 15 to 18 marks. सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग में. The simple one, right? Just make your interest in the programming again if you want to get more than 90% marks in IB. Clear? I hope the video lecture is fruitful for you. Thank you very much.